Hello everybody. Today we're going to be working on combining like terms. And as you can see here, we have a polynomial term with u's and v's. And so what I want you to focus on here is the fact that we have two different variables, 8u and 3u. Those add together to make 11u. And then we also have the v's, 9v minus 5v. That's going to make 4v. So after simplifying here, we have this two-term polynomial called 11u plus 4v. Alright, let's look at another one here. Distributive property. We'll talk about distributive property here a little bit. When you use the distributive property, the number outside the parentheses gets distributed to each thing inside the parentheses. And so what we have is 12 times 5y, which gives us 60y. 12 times the 4 is 48, and that's our simplified answer. Now we cannot add 60y plus 48. They're not like terms. One has a y, one has just a number without a y. So we leave it as is. Alright, let's try distributive property. It's a little more complicated. Notice we have the -2. We're going to distribute that to a 1/3 to get -2/3. And there's an x with it. And then that -2 is also going to be distributed to the 1/5. And yeah, it says -1/5. I want you to think of that -1/5 as a negative. And if we take a negative times a negative, we get a positive. 2 times 1/5 is 2/5. So this simplified answer is -2/3 x plus 2/5. There you go. Okay, so we had an example of combining like terms. We had two distributive property examples. Thanks for watching.